What's up? Ghost here. Don't have much time for videos these days. Kids out of school, you know. This one here, man. But wait for this. This is the Polish made by WBP, the side mount, the 3MAO. Okay. So let's check it out. Comes with the instructions. It's a heavy boy, 280 grams. Remember, 28 grams is an ounce, so this thing's pretty heavy. A little dirty. And these aren't actually cheap. It's cost you about the same as a master mount. It's like 125 bucks. So let's check it out. Pretty sure they laser etched that in there. Maybe not. Well, it's heavy. Stanag, NATO marked. This is solid steel, as you can see, and it's pretty hefty. I like that locking system. It's just a knurled screw on the bottom. When you would just loosen it and then tighten it, this comes up and out. See? So there you go. There's your Polish mount. Put it on. I'll put it on one of the rifles, and we'll see how it looks. It's definitely hefty, and it's made nice. It comes with a 1-year warranty, if you could read Polish. Luckily, well, I can't, but you know I am Polish. But yeah, pretty sure it comes with a warranty. Again, this is WBP, which is like a commercial seller for in Poland. As you can see the adjustment like I was talking about, because it wasn't laser etched. So there you go. There's the Polish 3MAO mount. Put on a rifle. Check it out. Pistol. You know, y'all know how much I love these M92 M92 cases, man. They're great. And here is the 105 is in here. So what we'll do is we'll pop this 105 out, and we'll check it out on there. I hope I could do this with one hand, but I think this is pretty important here. What a pain in the ass, kinda. See this? If you want to loosen the tension on this, you gotta push down on that piece all the way, and then see that? Pull it up or down for the tension. Took me a little bit to figure that out. The instructions are very clear. So that's how you adjust it. Now let's get it on. Alright, so yeah, adjusting this is a little bit it's funny because I am Polish, so you know, whatever. Yeah, but it's on. It goes on pretty easy and it's tight. So here, let's check it out installed here. I have this on the AK-105. This thing looks totally different when it's not when it's out of the light. Look at that, really nice center of the bore. Show you the other side, how it looks. Definitely can feel the added weight on it. That's perfect. Look at that. Perfect. And it mounts tight. So no complaints there. It mounts tight. Obviously, you know, I like the high ones because you gotta take this off with the dust cover and clean it. It's like, you know, that's why Russian ones are so friggin' high. I have another mount upstairs I could show you to compare what I'm talking about. But this is the one straight from Poland, and I like it. It's nice. I have no doubt this is gonna lose any kind of zero. It is solid steel. So there you go. AK-105 with the Polish WBP mount on it from Poland. I would probably say I would rank this right up. I like this a lot. I'd rank this up with like my surplus, all my surplus mounts. It's just solid steel. Doesn't add, you know, I don't care about the weight difference because it's quality. But some of you might cry about the weight, but I don't think so. This, I would take this over a master mount any day. Look at that. Look at how nice and close to the bore. Straight center. So there you go. There's the WBP. I didn't see any videos on this except for a quick one. So there's the WBP scope mount. They run about 135 there. And that's it. Ghost out. Real quick, I'm glad to say it still fits in my M92 carrier case, even with the mount on it. So word up. Okay. And this thing here, man, everybody should own one of these. This is an AK tool. You can do so many things with this tool, this little guy. So yeah, I threw some up on my website, but these are awesome, man. They do all kinds of stuff for you. You do the gas, you know, taking off the gas port. There's so many uses for it. It replaces like having the cleaning kit. So, but yeah, it fits in the bag. Fortunately, I can't fold this because of the way it is. My Draco fits in it, folded, but not that brace. But that's it. Alright, Ghost out. Mount's good. I would recommend that freaking mount. That mount's awesome.